Hi, welcome to the another episode of Success and Hurdles. Today we have Rashdeep with us. Also, we're going to be continuing our topic, body shaming. So let's have her journey. Please, Rashdeep, tell us what's your journey so far and what do you specifically do actually?
Okay. So, first of all, hello to all the listeners out there. I am Rishdeep Kubadia, a mother of two beautiful kids, and I'm a part time influencer and the best housewife, if my husband says so.
हस्बैंड को बुला के पूछना पड़ेगा अभी हमें.
So, first of all, tell us, please, what is this body shaming has been affected like in your life, and what is your viewpoint?
Okay. So when I hear this word body shaming, I feel it is really easy for people to come and comment on somebody. It's really very easy to just pass a random comment without knowing what that person has gone through or what that person will go through after such comments.
Right.
And I also feel actually they're very insecure about themselves.
That's what I
And-
feel.
and,
उनको खुद को कुछ ना कुछ लगता है अपने अंदर कमी है. That is why वो दूसरे पे comment करते हैं.
and आजकल बहुत easy हो गया है. You judge people by their looks. Why is it needed? I mean, come on.
That's the first appearance thing, no? Maybe that is
No, that's okay. But then if suppose somebody is fat and you are looked at with that eye that, oh my God, she's so fat. That's not the right way to look at
That's
it.
obvious. That's obvious because आपको उसके बारे में उसका कोई भी background नहीं पता. So many people have gone through PCOD or the thyroid, or even many people have gone through with the diabetes, all those kind of hereditary things, because of which actually they land up to that body type.
So let me tell you, even I am having thyroid issues and I am struggling to lose weight. I don't eat much as I look like, but then certain health conditions, certain medicines, which you take that just adds on to your weight, and then
True.
it's very difficult to come back to your own levels. But I think you should be happy with how you are. I mean, of
Right.
course, improvement is needed in every day. Every day is a learning process.
True.
So, you should put efforts, but then at the same time, never forget loving yourself.
Self-love is always the priority,
Yeah.
because if that's not there, then obviously you are lacking somewhere.
Definitely, yes.
Okay, so tell us what actually affected you? What was your point where you hit it hard because of the body shaming?
Okay, so there was a point in my life when I had depression issues and I was on 17 pills in a day.
That's too much to have.
Yeah, it was. So, I had personality disorders, I had bipolar disorder, and it was a very rough patch of my life. I had gained a lot of weight during that period. Like, I gained almost 30 kgs weight so far in those 2 years. So, and any person who would meet me would be like, oh my God, is this you? So that used to hit really badly. That
So it's like your medicines plus your thyroid
yes,
have just combined and
Yeah.
made you look that much fat in that case.
Definitely,
That's what
yes.
people feel.
yeah,
But obviously the people doesn't know the history and the geography, but they just pass the comments.
yes.
So, like 17 pills a day. Are you still taking that much of it?
No, right now I am only on a pill, a single pill, which is a very minimal dose. So yeah.
Is it because of the same therapy or something?
Honestly, therapy did not help me at all.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, there's a misconception that, okay, if you go to a therapist, you'll be fine. I mean, it can depend from a person to
Person to person, right?
But then for me, like in my case, I always had that one friend with whom I could, without thinking, share everything, and the help which I got was not non-judgmental. He was very non-judgmental, and he helped me in every phase. I mean, you need such person in your life
Such people, yeah.
who uplifts you and makes you, know your worth and feel more stronger within.
That's very important.
Yeah.
Having such kind of a person is a blessing, actually.
And I don't think we need to pay to share something. That's not very my type. I'll tell you. We go to a therapist. Okay, we pay them, and what they do is they just want to know everything about us.
Right.
So in the end, we end up just telling our things and talking to them.
Right.
Why not we have somebody like that in our personal life whom we can just share, so that we don't need to come to a therapist? Though we don't understand that process, sometimes life lead us somewhere and we have to go to a therapist. But for me, it did not work out.
So in short, therapy भी सबके लिए काम नहीं करती है. Okay, so that is something new for me as well. Because I guess, and please therapist आप लोग उसको गलत मत ले लेना, offend मत हो जाना.
Yeah.
I'm sure because therapists are also going to see it. Okay, so tell us, like, that friend, how did he actually help you? Just by listening to you, or something else was also his part?
Okay, so it was basically by listening to me, by understanding me, by making me feel how worthy I am. So, like, before, my nature was that, I used to seek validation from everywhere. I knew I was doing my best. I am doing out of the way things for people who don't even deserve that. But then still, I used to feel that, I should not be wrong. So I was always in that self doubt every time. So with time, with the regular talking, that made me believe that, okay, no, what I'm doing the best. And when I look with a different lens to other people, and I could make out that, okay, I'm doing much more than what they are doing. It was just that I was not valuing myself, you can say.
Right, so your importance to you yourself, you were
Yes.
not able to understand it.
Yeah, I was not able.
So in short, it's very important to understand your own importance.
Yeah.
Although believe in yourself is one of the biggest point in that case.
Yeah.
Perfect. So even though your journey has been like medicines है, thyroid है, therapy ले चुके हो आप, अभी कोई है आपकी लाइफ में, तो मतलब एज एन अ फ्रेंड जिसने आपको पुल किया, बट आर यू राइट नाउ ऑल्सो एट दैट पॉइंट जहाँ पर आपको इस चीज़ से प्रॉब्लम होती है, लाइक समबडी इज सेइंग समथिंग एंड दैट हिट्स यू अगेन?
No, it doesn't. I mean, I think वो सिर्फ एक फेज था जब मुझे प्रॉब्लम होती थी because of XYZ reasons. But right now, at this stage of life, I'm very confident about myself. I mean, see, always there are people who will speak bad about you, ill about you.
Right.
But then I feel we should prioritize what kind of people matter to us, and whether those comments matter to us or no. And if they don't matter, then we should not let it affect us mentally.
Right.
So you should choose wisely your people, and you should just invest in the right kind of people.
काफी डीप है ये.
Deep है.
इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग इन द
Right kind of people, right emotions.
I'll make a quote about it. Okay, great. So tell us one thing which you feel that if something would not have had happened in your life, so it wouldn't have affected you. ऐसा कोई बॉडी शेमिंग का ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट है जहाँ पर आपको बहुत हिट कर गया, जिसकी वजह से the things have been worst for you, जहाँ पर आपको थेरेपी लेनी पड़ी, जिसकी वजह से मेडिसिन उतनी लेनी पड़ी? Is there
Okay,
anything?
so let me tell you, like before I was on the pills, I was always on the healthier side.
Okay.
Because of course being Punjabi has its own perks.
खाते पीते घर के बच्चे हैं हम.
So be it a child, when I was a child I was healthy, and then listening to my parents every time, okay, comparing. So it was not though they were comparing because they wanted me to be better. It was not out of their wrong intentions, but somewhere when a person keeps telling you, look at them, and they are so fit, they are so active, what are you doing? So wo comparisons they do to improve us, but we take it, it affects
Right.
us in a long race if you go to see. So those things were always in me when I was not very healthy. Also, I used to feel I'm very fat,
Okay.
Yeah. So that was the thing, and now when I'm actually really good, I'm healthy and I'm more on a healthier version, I feel I'm very confident and I'm perfect. I don't know, it's all about your mindset, I feel.
वो सो एक्चुअली जब कोई आपको बार बार बोलता रहता है तो बैक ऑफ द माइंड आई गेस वो आपको
You start believing it then,
राइट.
it's like that.
सो इन शॉर्ट आप नेगेटिव को सुनोगे तो उस पे बिलीव करोगे,
Yeah.
पॉजिटिव को सुनोगे तो उस पे बिलीव करोगे. सो दैट्स व्हाट शी सेड दैट invest in the right kind of people. So when she had the friend, he was the right person.
Yes, definitely.
उन्होंने आपको सही जगह
He
पे
still
push किया.
is.
सो उन्होंने आपको सही जगह पे पुश किया तो
Yeah.
वो आपकी लाइफ चेंज हो गई, बट
Yeah.
लेकिन वही आपको जब पहले था तो
Yeah,
दैट वाज हिटिंग
yeah.
यू इन अ डिफरेंट
And it's not that the family is not supportive or the cousins are not. They all are. But then there's a barrier which you have with your family, and then there's a off barrier which you are with your friend. So it's not about that you can't share it with your family or cousins or you need a friend only. You can share it with your family or cousins.
It's all about the comfort level.
Yeah,
I
it's
guess.
about comfort levels.
So with whomsoever you can open up,
Yeah.
just do it, because you never know that person could be actually helpful for you in the
Definitely.
ongoing run.
And always believe in yourself, and you should love what you do. Like, if I love partying, I love getting ready, I love food, so love whatever you do. That's more important, and be around such people who uplift you and make you stronger.
Mind those words. Definitely going to be a improvement for your future in that case. Okay, perfect. So tell me, Rashdeep, that whereas being on to that journey of your right now today being as an influencer,
Yeah.
जनरली इन्फ्लुएंसर्स आज भी सेम चीज फेस कर रहे हैं, जहाँ
Yeah.
ऑनलाइन बहुत लोग ट्रोलिंग करते हैं
Yeah.
या अगर आपको बोलेंगे दैट यू आर फैट और
Yeah.
यू आर थिन
Yeah.
और यू हैव
Yeah.
दिस, आर यू आल्सो फेसिंग दैट थिंग?
Honestly, not at all. I have no trolls. I have no backlash on Instagram. I am on Instagram basically, so I have no backlash over there. So
Wow.
my troll and my backlash is when I go for events or when we
Okay.
attend events. So there are only group of insecure females who keep passing comments, but that doesn't matter to us anyways. So that is what the trolls are. For the friends who they are not your friends honestly, but the people whom you know and they know you, like, they will only pass comments on you, and my public is really kind to me. They have never backlashed me, never trolled me.
वाओ, प्लीज
Thank you.
फॉलो मी, हर ऑडियंस प्लीज फॉलो मी. मेरे को तो मतलब ऐसे लोग वो करते हैं, अभी तो आई एम ऑन अ थिनर साइड इन दैट केस. आई फील दैट बीइंग एन एक्सेल इज एक्चुअली मिड साइज, बट स्टिल लोग छोड़ते नहीं हैं. ओके, दैट्स
But who cares? Who cares?
people make you care, yaar.
You have to go carefree. That's the point.
Okay, okay. So tell me one thing, like while you go to these events, as you said, the females only
Yeah,
passing
definitely.
those comments and
Yes,
all.
yes.
Has there any been the incident which has make you felt that it's again hitting you?
Okay, so when I started with the events, like when I started attending events, so I don't know, one thing I want to make clear on your podcast is that it's not important that thin girls are hotter. It's not important short clothes makes you look more sexy. You can be covered up, you can be healthy, and you can still look sexier than them, okay? So don't lower your self-esteem. So that is the mindset which girls have, that okay, when I used to go to events, they used to see me with that eye, oh okay, she's come, I could see that jealousy within them, but at the same time they used to make me feel as if I am out of the box. So yeah, that is there, that's everywhere. I feel not only events but everywhere in life.
राइट. सो इन शॉर्ट, आप जितनी भी पतली लड़कियां हैं और जो रैंप पे वॉक करती हैं, हमें इनसिक्योर करा फील कराना बंद कर दो,
क्योंकि हम हो ही नहीं रहे हैं ना.
right, but still though it like somewhere. Okay, so
Yeah.
if I'll take my case,
Yeah.
I want to do the ramp look. On
Okay.
any case, I would like to see myself on the ramp. So when it comes to that case, and I guess this is the time I can speak about it. मैंने एक और चीज़ नोटिस की है, एहसान करने के लिए जितने भी ये फैशन शोज हैं वो एक प्लस साइज ले लेते हैं.
Definitely yes, just to show that they are promoting body positivity as well.
राइट.
Yeah.
मतलब मैं अभी तक चाहे वो लैक्मे हो, चाहे वो अभी गोवा फैशन वीक देखा मैंने वो हो, चाहे वो दिल्ली का हो, अभी रिसेंटली आई गेस गोदरेज का जो था
Yeah,
उसमें,
yeah.
there is only one plus size in all of these, the rest are all on the same. एजेंसीज की जो रिक्वायरमेंट होती है वो रिक्वायरमेंट ही ऐसी होती है
Yeah.
कि सबको चाहिए 5'6", 5'8",
Yeah.
5'9", and that too with the
Yeah.
लाइक स्मॉलर, एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल या फिर
Yeah.
मीडियम मैक्स है, एंड
Yeah.
मीडियम भी मैंने नहीं देखी है.
Yeah.
और अनदर थिंग विच आई फील इज, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एल एंड एक्सेल्स आर mid size.
Yeah.
They are not
Yeah.
plus size though.
Definitely, yes.
But then even उनकी तो कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं है ऐसा लगता है मार्केट में. या तो आप डबल एक्सएल ट्रिपल एक्सएल हो तो
Yeah.
आपको क्या नाम है रैम्प पे वॉक
Yeah.
करने को मिल जाएगा, वो भी दैट टू लाइक अगर 15 मॉडल्स आर वॉकिंग तो सिर्फ एक प्लस
Yeah.
साइज होगी.
Yeah.
और वो भी सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक एहसान दिखाने के
I
लिए
know,
कि या
I know.
देयर इज.
But how can they break barriers with having a one plus size model? I don't understand. I mean, plus size is so beautiful. They are so beautiful.
They have the best curves dude.
Yeah.
My ID says it all. Girl with the curvy curves. Okay. So have you ever you also walked on any of this ramp so far?
No, I haven't. Honestly,
You would like to go?
I
for
would
it?
love to, but so far I'm just thinking about it. I haven't been into action.
Okay.
Yeah.
So okay, Rashdeep. So for discussing about your journey of body shaming, do you feel anything which is literally going to be helpful for our audience to know about? कि हाँ कहाँ से कैसे किस तरीके से they can come it out. Therapy you said, but the therapy आपके लिए जिससे काम नहीं करी हो सकता है बहुत लोगों के लिए और काम ना करे. What else other than कई लोगों को ना फ्रेंड्स नहीं मिल पाते.
Yeah, yeah,
मैंने देखा है बहुत से लोग अकेला बहुत ज़्यादा महसूस करते हैं
yeah.
एंड ना ही उनसे किसी से बात हो पाती है और ना ही वो किसी के आगे खुल पाते हैं. एनीथिंग एल्स डू यू थिंक दैट कैन हेल्प देम आउट?
I feel it's very important to love yourself. You know, if you love yourself every day, you will feel whatever you're doing is the best. So, you know, it's very important to love yourself, not seek for any validation. अगर आप कुछ करते हो ना तो आपको वो प्रूव करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ना ही किसी से पूछने की ज़रूरत है कि मैंने सही किया कि गलत किया. जब आप ये करना बंद कर दोगे और आपके आसपास के लोग देखेंगे कि आप अफेक्ट नहीं हो रहे हो ना, तो वो भी अपनी हरकतों से बाज आ जाएंगे. And then, you know, and if they don't, well, that's their true nature, you can't change. But, you know, try to love yourself, believe in yourself, and be around people who uplift you and makes you stronger. You know, try to be positive in every aspect of life. I know it's not very practical, you know, बहुत चीज़ें होती है, we tend to think negative about it. But negative में भी कुछ positive ढूंढना ना एक art है. So you should learn that. I mean, that helped me a long way.
I also feel something or the other way. Try to go out and like go for a walk, go for like having a peace time for yourself. Maybe yoga, maybe a meditation. Something these kind of things can help you more in that case.
Yeah. Whatever you love, honestly.
Because कई बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ लोगों की बातों से इफेक्ट हो रहे होते हो. क्यों? क्योंकि आप अपने आप को अकेला बंद करके कहीं पे बैठे होते हो.
Yeah. Don't isolate yourself for any reasons. That is very important because once you isolate yourself, your brain starts working in a negative manner and अगर आप कुछ अच्छा भी कर रहे हो ना आप उसमें भी गलत ढूंढ लोगे. Because this has happened with me, I have suffered this and that is the reason I am, you know, letting you guys know. Never isolate yourself.
This is
कुछ
very
नहीं तो
important.
अपनी mother, you know, for your mother, you know, that's the true bond which you can share with, you know, any other human being. You can't share that bond, but your mother is someone who's very close to you. So if you are, you know, you build on that comfort level and whatever, she will not judge you. She will always be by your side. So your parents are your best mentors.
That is the very good thing which he said. I'm sure there are people who does not have anybody close to share their views, or sometimes it's like stranger से बात करने में भी ऐसा लगता है कि सामने वाला जज करेगा.
Yeah.
तो आइसोलेट मत करो, बस कहीं ना कहीं कैसे ना कैसे बस जस्ट गो आउट. मे बी अ वॉक कैन हेल्प इट. फ्रेश एयर ऑलवेज हेल्प्स. So go for breathing in like a park or something. Take the good vibes. That's very important. What I feel.
And also trust your gut feelings, whatever they are. You need to trust your gut feeling. If you feel uncomfortable around somebody at once, be out of their place. You know, just don't trust that person, or you know, be.
So in short, be somebody like you are not going to be getting affected because of others, but also अपने आप पे belief रखना. That is what she said on a
Yeah.
continuous level. अपने आप पे belief रखना is very very important.
One more thing. So, like, you know, many times we feel when we meet somebody, you know, our parents want us to meet them, or you know, just because he or she वो कोई सेलिब्रिटी है या कोई बहुत अच्छी पोजीशन में है, तो वी वांट टू बिल्ड ऑन अ रिलेशनशिप विद देम, राइट? बट अगर आप उसके पास जाते हो, आप उससे बात करते हो, यू ट्राई, दैट्स ओके, बट देन इफ यू डोंट गेट दैट सेम काइंड ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट and your gut feeling says you that you are not respected there, please don't go to places where you are not respected, you know.
Actually this is something deep enough, because आप खुद को प्रायोरिटाइज जब करना शुरू करोगे तो आपको ये खुद ही समझ में आना शुरू हो जाएगा कि वहाँ बैठने का भी कोई फायदा नहीं है जहाँ पर आपको खुद ही रिस्पेक्टेड फील ना हो रहा हो. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Perfect. Any message you would like to
So, you know, it's like if you want to get loved, you have to give love. If you want to get respect, you have to give respect. So, you know, everything is mutual. So how you want to be treated, you have to treat the same way others. So, you know, life is very easy. It's very, you know, be easy breezy and love yourself and do the best and be positive.
Perfect. Thank you, Rashdeep. We would like you to tell our viewers to do like, comment, share and subscribe.
Thank you so much for this. I really wanted to come out with this message, and please like, subscribe and share. She's doing a tremendous job.
Thank you so much. Thank you.